Hi and welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace the door hinge on an LG washing machine. If your door hinge is visibly worn or damaged, it will need to be replaced to keep the door working properly. Thankfully this fix is pretty easy to carry out. Let's take a look. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need a new door hinge, and you can find a link to these in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. The first thing you need to do on the machine is to remove the door. To do that, undo the two Phillips head screws that hold the hinge in place. Once they're unscrewed and taken out, you can then lift the hinge and the door itself away from the machine. Next, we need to remove the inner door from the outer door. Now, to do that, you need to undo all the Phillips screws around the inner door, and then using a flat-headed screwdriver, gently separate the two pieces. With the two pieces of the door separated, you can then take out your old door hinge. When replacing the door hinge on your washing machine, it's important that you know your model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the right part for your exact model. If you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our video here. You can then put your new door hinge into position before reconnecting the two parts of the door. To fit the two pieces of the door and the door glass and the hinge together, just make sure that the handle is going underneath the door glass. Make sure the hinge is perfectly in position. Push down, and then you can refit the Phillips screws around the edge. With the two parts of the door now reconnected, you can fit the door and the hinge to the washing machine and refit the screws. And then we have one new door hinge fitted to this LG washing machine. Now, washing machine doors can experience other problems as well, such as getting stuck shut. If that's the problem with your washing machine, check out our handy video here, which will give you all the guidance you need to release your door once more. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, handy appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.